Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am super excited for today's video because this video is going to be a journey through my planner. I have been using planner since 2020 and this is the first time I have digitally designed a planner for myself. Designing a planner was on my bucket list since a very long time. I did design a custom planner in 2021, but that was nothing more than just a notebook with few trackers. This is the first time I have digitally designed a planner for myself and I'm super excited to use that planner and see how it works out for me. I can't wait to take you all through my planner. So without any further ado, let's get started. So this is the planner I have for 2023. As you can see, at the very first I've added the year and next I have my name. Then I have a small quote and also I've added a hibiscus to give it a bit of summer vibe. I designed this whole planner using Canva. It took me about 12 to 14 hours to complete the entire designing process. First thing I have is annual calendar. It gives me a quick view of all the 12 months. Next I have few bucket lists. First thing is called as milestones and this is the place where I'll be listing down all the goals for this year. It could be career goals or personal goals. All the goals for this year will go into this section. I've named next list as things to conquer. This is a place where I'll be noting down all the things that I would like to buy in this year. The next list is called as pages to turn. This is where I'll be listing down all the books that I would like to read during this year. I have named next list as wanderlust. All my travel plans for this year will go into this list. For each month, I have a month overview. This is where I can note down all the important dates, all the important birthdays, anniversaries, important meetings, everything will go in here. Next thing that I have in my planner is finance tracker. Finance tracker is really important. I have one finance tracker for each month. So here I have 3 columns, date, description and amount. So I can note down where my money is going on which day. Then at the end I have 3 sections for expense, earnings and investment. So this will give me an overview of how much money I'm investing, how much money I'm spending and where my money is going for that particular month. Next I have meal planner. Here I have 4 columns, breakfast, lunch, snacks and dinner, and I have it for all the 7 days of the week from Monday till Sunday. This is the place where I will be doing my meal planning for entire week. I have one such meal planner for each week. I have one page dedicated for each day of the month. First I have the month name, then I have the day name, and then I have the number of days left and number of days that have been passed in the year. And then I have the date and then I have the week number on the right side corner of each page. This is where I will be noting down all the tasks for each day. So this is going to be a kind of checklist for me and I can check off the things that I've completed for that particular day. It will help me keep track of the things that I will be doing in the entire day. So same thing will continue, and for each week I have a meal planner as I mentioned earlier. At the end of every month I have a page that is dedicated for notes. So this is where all the comments that does not fit into any of these categories will go. Same thing repeat for the next month. So I have a month overview, I have a finance tracker, then I have daily pages for to-do list. I personally prefer spiral binding when it comes to bulky books, but from next time onwards I'll be going for double coil spiral binding. With this kind of spiral binding, I find it a little bit inconvenient while turning the pages, so that's the reason from next time I'll be going for double coil spiral binding. What are the things that you look for in a planner? Please do let me know in the comment section below. If you have liked this video, give it a big thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe to my channel, as that would motivate me to make more such videos. See you next time with a new video. Until then, take care and bye bye.